Good afternoon, everybody. We are at planting again. We bought some elephant ear bulbs at the store the other day. Never planted them like this, so we're going to plant them. And they say you plant them in the spring and they will bloom in the summer. Is that right? Is that what it says on the bag? So we love elephant ears, so we're gonna excited about that. So we're gonna plant these two bulbs and let's see how it turns out. Is that a bulb? Is there a certain way for us to put it in the ground? Is it sprouting any? I don't think so. I think it's supposed to go a little deeper than that.
Dead body.
Like Funny Farm. It's like Funny Farm. We finally found the dead body buried.
Yeah, she was gardening when she did too.
She was gardening. Found a casket. Well, we got our elephant ear planted. Hopefully we don't forget about it and cut it down. Another breezy day, but it's nice and warm. And so we're gonna hit the road and go walking. Try to get some steps in because I haven't walked in a while. I did weigh myself today though. It is Friday, I wasn't gonna do it. I did not gain anything. I lost 4 ounces. So I'm just excited I didn't gain because I ate for quite so many days a lot of junk and had Cokes and stuff. So, but back to the diet. This is day 2 of back on it. So now I'm just trying to get some more steps in because I have not been motivated to do much of anything besides
Sit. Drink Coke.
Yeah, drinking
chicken pot pies.
Drinking Coke and eating wrong really did a number on me.
Smelling those roses she got.
I had no energy. All I wanted to do was eat. I could tell a huge difference in me. So it's just hard to get back on that track. So that's what we're doing now. Right, we're walking up the street. You see our street here? This is our neighbor's field. And we have seen coyotes run past through here when we're driving. And this is their path. You can see, I don't know if you can tell, it's like beat down. But if you look, you see their feet print. Look at that.
Look at those nails. Like,
Those are huge nails from the coyotes. And they go all the way across the street. That is really creepy. That is a ton of vultures. They're just flying everywhere. Look at all of them. Look at that. I don't know if a vulture and buzzard gets the same thing, right? They're all right there. Look at them. Golly.
They're going after each other.
Oh, they're circling. They're right behind our neighbor's chicken houses. So I guess something's dead or dying.
Just that high. Everyone knows that.
Come on, you can do it, Rissa.
No, I can't.
Y'all are doing the worst possible spot. There's a little heel thing right here.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even try. Okay.
Come on, Rissa. You did it.
She lowered it. No, I didn't.
Think you can do it, Zach?
Yay!
Oh, almost. Well, we decided to let the horses loose again. Hopefully, it looks like they're going to venture away again. They're leaving. Why? Why leave? Daggone it. There they go. They've left again. They left again.
She can run. She can run.
These mares cause more trouble. They get running out here, which causes the geldings that we have out to act stupid. So I'm gonna try to shoo them out of here to another pasture and lock them up. Because the dang geldings ran back out to the meadow. As long as they'll graze, it's okay. But when these mares get running, they make them run and run into the dang bushes. Like all that thick stuff right there. I don't know if you can see because I really can't see myself because of the sun and the wind and my hair. Y'all get up there. Y'all be good out there. I love that green grass. As long as they stand there, they can stay there. Spartan, are you free?
Hitting that hard.
Some good grass, ain't it, buddy? It's Rissa's chicken. Will she let you catch her, Rissa?
Yeah.
Go get her.
She might run away from me.
Aw, she says hi, Rissa. Oh, what a good chicken. Hi, chicken. Hi, princess. Is she nice?
Yeah.
I've never really been a chicken person. Oh,
She's pretty right now.
she is. She
Yeah.
has some pretty red. You are laying some really nice eggs. Thank you.
You can tell she eats grass or baked sort of green.
She's loving getting out some.
Mom's like, never had
I don't.
chicken.
Rissa lets her out when she's down here.
It's like an owl. She can turn her head all the way around.
And lets her be loose, and then when before we go back to the house, she puts her up so the coyotes don't eat her.
Have you noticed how they blink?
Look at her.
Instead of their eyes going up and down, it goes to side to side.
Hello, chicken. When I was a little girl, my grandfather, when they would kill a chicken,
Go ahead, get a fill.
he'd save the feet for me. Yep. And he'd always say, I got you some fresh feet to play with, and I'd come over.
When they got old, you have to throw away?
Yeah, we wouldn't play with them for very long. It was when he would, you know, we'd had fresh chicken to eat, and I'd have fresh chicken feet to play with. I know that's weird. When I was little, though, it wasn't weird because, you know, it was very country living. Bye, princess. Such a sweet girl. Such a sweet chicken.
She likes to wear high socks. Looks like Snake. Where? Her feet. Like right there.
Feel how soft they are, Lauren.
They are?
Feel how soft her feet are. Like, feel her feet. They're soft, aren't they?
She's got like witch's fingernails. She's got like witch fingernails.
Don't drop her, okay?
Oh my goodness, she's so big.
She's a heavy chicken, isn't she?
So you're saying her entire body's filled with eggs.
No, it's not. That's not how that works.
Come here, let me sit her on her head.
Oh my god.
What is that goat doing?
Really?
Well, look at him. He's trying to get on the horse.
He's not even dead.
I was trying to catch it, but he was smelling the horse's butt. What is he doing? He's such a goofball. Can you see what she's eating?
No.
No? She
Looks
likes
like she's
something
just
right
eating
there,
dirt.
though.
She's just skipping.
It's like a cat.
Oh, Mama, she's not digging like crazy. She's digging for bugs.
She's digging for bugs.
Yeah.
That's right. Look, she likes something right there, though. That's for sure. All right, everybody. We are gonna call it a night. We just got done with some really good dinner that Lauren made. My favorite lemon pepper chicken, and it's really good for you. Well, it's not super fattening. It's really good. We hope you all had a great day, and we will see y'all next time. Bye.